the Pune killer crash incident, Pune minor age driver's friend has made a big admission. This is a friend who appeared to have been at the time on the site in that vehicle. According to our sources, this friend appears to have admitted that the teenager was driving drunk. His statement has been recorded at the Pune Crime Branch office. His statement has been recorded for about 6 hours when that questioning was done, and our source in the police have confirmed it. I want to immediately go across to our colleague on the ground, Divyesh Singh, who's been tracking all the latest on that. Divyesh has got us also an exclusive interaction with one of the eyewitness accounts. And Divyesh, as disturbing as all of this has been, in not just the incident of the death, but how the whole system came together to protect this influential family. But tell us how this has turned out, that this friend has made that admission, and how can that change? What will that add to the investigation?
Well,
Divyesh,
is crucial evidence in this case. The minors who were with the juvenile accused when the accident happened, they are prime witnesses to the case, and they gave the statement that it was the accused juvenile driving this car at the time of accident. Further built the case against the accused juvenile and others involved in that case more stronger. Remember, the first 4 statements recorded in the case, everyone, including the 2 minors who recorded their statements again yesterday, they had claimed in their statement that driver Gangaram was driving the vehicle and not the accused juvenile.
All right, Divyesh, we'll be tracking all the latest on that. Divyesh, appreciate you telling us about, because remember, this friend who's on site can add to now and corroborate further with the evidence that's still being garnered. But as the investigation intensifies in the Pune Porsche crash case, it's symbolic. Had it not been for the relentless reporting and citizen power and outrage, there could have been a very different outcome in this case. Pune accused Brad's father, Vishal Agarwal, has now moved for bail in the Juvenile Justice Act 75 and 77. Vishal Agarwal's bail hearing is expected today. India Today has spoken to one of the eyewitness in this case, someone who saw it all happen, and then you see how the driver later, the minor age driver, appears to also being thrashed by some of the citizens on the ground. This eyewitness appears to have shared a chilling account of the crash, and he confirmed that it was the teenager who was intoxicated and who was on the wheels on Porsche. Sources have told India Today that before the blood sample of the minor accused was collected at 11 a.m., 14 WhatsApp calls. A phone call took place, allegedly between the doctor and the minor age driver's father. Cops are now probing if there was a bribe angle here. This comes apart from, remember, not just speeding in a luxury vehicle, but attending a party in 2 bars. These are minor age. They are not even 18. How were they allowed, allegedly, alcohol to be drunk? When he mowed down later 2 IT engineers. This is not, remember, simply an accident on the road. This is symbolic of one after another norms being broken and then later to shield him.
4 सेकंड में ही गाड़ी आ गई.
क्या स्पीड रहा होगा गाड़ी का?
200 के आसपास होगा. 100% 200 का, क्योंकि जब मैं राइट में देखा था तो मेरी नजर कम से कम 400, 450, 500 मीटर तक गई थी कि गाड़ी नहीं थी. जैसे मैंने रास्ते के बीच में आ गया ना, तो उतने में गाड़ी मेरे पीछे से चली गई और इतनी स्पीड थी ना कि मेरा सब डर गया मैं. और जैसा आवाज आया ना, मैंने देखा कि लड़की ऊपर जा रही है और ऊपर जाके सीधा नीचे गिर गई. ऑन द स्पॉट वो खत्म ही हो गया, हलचल ही नहीं थी उसकी. तो हम लोग ने क्या किया, पहला मैं मेरे ऑटो के पास भाग के मेरी चाबी निकाला. चाबी निकाल के मैं वो लड़की के पास गया और वो लड़का थोड़ा आगे गिरा था ना, तो उसका ये पूरा अंदर का जो सामने का है वो झटके ले रहा था जोर जोर से कि वो भी जान छोड़ने वाला था. फिर हम लोग ने क्या किया, उनको साइड में किया. साइड में करने से फिर वो जब तक तो ऑलरेडी इधर से सब क्राउड निकल गया था उनको मारने के लिए. गाड़ी से निकाल के डायरेक्ट मारना ही चालू किया था.
जब उस लड़के को बाहर निकाला गया तो वो लड़का क्या बोल रहा था?
बोल रहा था, मारो मत, कितना भी खर्चा हो गया रहेगा, कितना भी नुकसान है, मैं देने के लिए आप भी तैयार हूँ.
मतलब जितना भी पैसा होगा मैं दूंगा, ऐसे बोल?
हाँ, कितने भी पैसे लगेंगे मैं अभी देने के लिए तैयार हूँ, हमारे लोगों को मारो मत.
कितने लोग निकले थे गाड़ी में?
सर, एक पहला निकल के भाग गया था लेफ्ट साइड से और आगे 2 लोगों को निकाला था.
तो पुणे के घटना के बाद लोगों में गुस्सा बढ़ गया. वहां पर जिस तरह से घटना हुई तो एक विधायक का लड़का भी ये जो अमीर जादा के लड़के के साथ जो नाबालिग था वो भी वहां पर नशा कर रहा था, ये मालूमात हमारे पास है। वो कौन विधायक का लड़का है वो भी एक स्पष्टीकरण सरकार ने देना चाहिए। जिस तरह से ससून हॉस्पिटल के डॉक्टर तावरे ने वहां पर जो ब्लड सैंपल कचरे के कुंडी में डालकर नया सैंपल वहां पे जोड़ने का पाप जो किया, जो सामने बात आई, तो उस डॉक्टर तावरे को उस हॉस्पिटल का अधीक्षक बनाने के लिए, सुप्रिटेंडेंट बनाने के लिए कौन मंत्री ने लिखत दिया था, कौन विधायक था जो सरकार को उसको अधीक्षक बनाने के लिए खत दिया था, वो राज्य के मुख्यमंत्री ने तुरंत डिक्लेयर करना चाहिए।